Hello everyone, welcome to NCERT Math channel. I'm here to explain class 6 math in simple ways useful for both academic and competitive exams. For the chapter 1, we are going to see the example exercises. For making problems more interesting, we are going to learn the problems in the storytelling manner. The first question is, the bus starts journey reaches different places with a speed of 60 km per hour. Question is, find total distance covered by bus if it starts from A and returns back to A. To add the distance of the bus covered from A to A, that means from A to B, from B to C, from C to D, from D to E, from E to F, F to G and G to A. We have to perform the addition operation. The final answer is 26,550 kilometers. The second question is we have to find the distance from C to D. From the route map, we can say that the distance covered by the bus from C to D is 2160 kilometers. To find the difference of distance from D to A, we have to perform the operation called addition. Addition operation has to be done for the distance from D to E as 8140 kilometers plus E to F of 4830 kilometers and F to G of 2550 kilometers and G to A of 1290 kilometers. All together we have to perform the operation called addition. The resultant kilometer is 16,810 kilometers. The third question is I have to find the total distance covered by the bus from D to C. For this we can calculate the addition operation or subtraction operation. There are two methods. The method one is we have to perform the addition operation of the bus travels from D to E, E to F, F to G, G to A to B, B to C. We have to perform the addition operation. We can get the result as 24,390. Otherwise, we can subtract the value of the distance traveled by the bus from C to D as 2160 from the bus traveled from A to A as 26,550. That means 26,550 minus 2,160, which is nothing but 24,390 kilometers. Then the fourth question is we have to find the difference on distance of E to G. E to G we have to perform the addition operation of E to F as 4,830 kilometer plus F to G as 2,550 kilometer, which is nothing but the difference in distance covered by the bus from E to G is 7,380 kilometers. Also, we have to find the distance between G to D. So, for this, we have to perform the operation called addition. So, we have to add the distance of the bus covered from G to A as 1290 kilometers plus from A to B 4170 kilometers plus from B to C 3410 kilometers plus C to D 2160 kilometers. So the addition operation have to be done. The resultant addition is 11,030 kilometers. So the next final question is we have to find the distance traveled from E to D. So for this we have to we can perform two methods for this operation. So in the first method is we can subtract the distance of the bus covered from E to D to E from the distance of the bus covered from A to A, which means the result will be 18,410 kilometers. Or otherwise, we have to add the distance of the bus covered from E to F, F to G, G to A to B, B to C, C to D. Have to perform the addition of all these distance. Both the answers will be same as 18,410. They have also asked for the time taken to travel from E to D. So time taken is equal to distance divided by speed. So here the distance is 18,410 divided by speed is nothing but 60 km per hour. So the answer time taken will be 306 hours 48 minutes or otherwise 306.8 hours. The second question is they have given a table, two tables, right? ramen shop things and their prices and the sales during the last year. So the first question is they can have asked for the total weight of the apples and oranges sold last year. So in the second table they have given the list of items and the weight of their items sold last year. Okay, so in the weight of the apple is nothing but 2457 kg of apple have been sold last year. So they have asked for the total weight of oranges and apple. We have to perform the operation called addition. So after applying the addition of 2457 plus 3004 kgs, we have the answer 5461 kgs. So the second question is they have asked to find the total money Raman spent on got by selling apple, and also separately he have got by selling oranges. Okay, so the total money Raman got by selling apple is nothing but we have to perform the multiplication operation of the total weight of the apple sold last year is 2457 kg and the apple per kg is 40. We have to perform the multiplication of both these numbers and the result value will be 8280 rupees. And the third question is we have to find the total money Raman spent on selling got by selling oranges. So for this we have to perform the multiplication operation of the total weight of the oranges sold last year as 3004 kgs into the weight of the orange per kg is 30. We have to perform the multiplication operation. The result will be 90,120 rupees has got on selling oranges last year. The next question is how much amount he have got by selling both oranges and apple last year. We have to perform the addition operation of both the numbers as 90,120 plus 98,280 is nothing but 1,88,400 rupees. Thus Raman shop 1,88,400 rupees has been got by selling both apples and oranges last year. The next question they have asked for money received by Raman last year by selling each and every item. They have given two tables. The first table containing the items and the price of each and every item, and the second table containing the items, and along with this they have given how much quantity they have sold last year. We have to perform the multiplication of each and every item with their respective price. For example, in the last year, the number of toothbrush brought that been sold is 25,367 and each and every toothbrush cost 10 rupees. We have to perform the multiplication operation of these two numbers to get the resultant value as 2,53,670. Likewise, we have to perform the multiplication of both these tables in a perfect way. The resultant table should contain the list of items and its cost or price in the descending order. And also they have asked for the highest amount they have received for selling the item, which is the highest amount of sold item. So the answer is toothbrush, which has been sold out for rupees 2,53,670. Let us start with the book examples from the page number 15. So first question is, in the city of Sundarnagar 1991 the population is 2,35,471 and it has been increased over the year of 10 years to 72,958. What will be the population of Sundarnagar in 2001? They have asked this question. So for this we have to find the solution. So let us consider the population of Sundarnagar as A in the year 1991 as A is equal to 2,35,471 and it has been increased by 72,958. Let it as B. So we have to find the C as the population of Sundarnagar in 2001. So in the 2001, there has been incremented by 72,958 with the population of Sundarnagar in 1991. So we have to perform the addition operation. So the resultant will be 3,08,429. Then, thus the population of Sundarnagar in 2001 was 3,08,429. So let us discuss the next question. So the second question in this book example is, so there is a beautiful city, San Francisco. It's all in imagination. Let us start with the beautiful story. So in the city of San Francisco, there is a bicycle manufacturing company. So there is a manager there, right? He is listing some list of items sold and in their year. So the bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 is about 7,43,000 bicycles have been sold. And he is also showing the chart that in the year 2003 to 2004, 8 lakhs 100 bicycles have been sold out. And there is an inspector engineer has been arrived over there, and he is raising some questions to the manager regarding his company. So the first question is, in which year were more bicycles sold? So the manager have to answer the question raised by the inspector engineer. Okay. So the first question the manager is answering as 2003 to 2004 more bicycles have been sold, which is exactly 8 lakhs 100. So then the inspector is asking the second question. The second question is nothing but how much more bicycles have been sold. For that, the manager is replying that, so by subtracting the number of bicycles sold from 2002 to 2003 to number of bicycles sold from the year 2003 to 2004. That means 8 lakhs 100 minus 7 lakhs 43,000 is nothing but 57,100 bicycles sold more than the previous year. So these are all the questions we have discussed in this chapter. So let us discuss some more questions in the next upcoming video. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe NCERT Math for more indulging videos.